Hello. Imagine you have a laser pointer light. When you turn it on, where does the light go? Does it curve around corners or does it shoot straight ahead? You've got it. The light goes straight ahead because light travels in a straight line. It's like the light is following an invisible ruler. One way we can see that light travels in straight lines is by looking at shadows. Have you ever played with shadows on a sunny day? You might have noticed that your shadow is shaped like you. That's because the light from the sun travels in a straight line. When you stand in front of the sun, you block those straight lines of light and your shadow appears. If light could bend around you, you wouldn't have a shadow, would you? Here's another way to think about it. Imagine you're playing a game of flashlight tag with a friend in a dark room. If your friend is standing straight in front of you, you see the light from their flashlight. But if they move to the side and you don't move, you cannot see their flashlight light anymore. That's because the light is traveling straight and your friend is no longer in its path. Our eyes also rely on light traveling in straight lines. Light bounces off objects and travels straight into our eyes, allowing us to see those objects. If light curved and bent all over the place, we wouldn't be able to tell where anything was. You might be wondering, why does light travel straight? That's a great question. Light is a form of energy, and in simple terms, it travels in the most direct way possible. Light doesn't have a reason to curve or bend unless something gets in its way. Of course, light can bend, but that's what happens when it passes from one material to another, like going from air to water. This is called refraction, but we'll save that for another adventure. So for now, remember that in a clear path, light always travels in a straight line. This simple rule helps us understand how shadows form, how we see objects, and how light behaves in our world. Keep exploring, and you'll discover even more amazing things about light. Thank you for watching.